welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to download and install apps on Windows 11 PC without Microsoft Store. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to right click, so right click on the start icon, click on settings. So let's just wait for a while. Settings. So there you have it. Once you've clicked on settings, you want to click on apps. So here at the installing apps only from Microsoft Store helps us protect your device. Just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and choose the Microsoft Store only. Okay. So once you've searched or clicked for the Microsoft Store only, you just need to restart your device. Okay. So once you restart your device, that should help you with your problem, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.